during our process of investigating to build our house, we wanted to make sure we're using somebody that's reputable. So the electrical, the plumbing, and the HVAC was all done by Ed's.
It was nice that we could schedule one meeting and meet with several different trades at one time. They were very easy to work with. From a customer service perspective, I would say they are one of the best companies that we've worked with all together in this process.
Ed's and Bryant, doing whatever it takes for our customers.